What's the meaning of Aston Martin? Aston Martin. Aston Martin.
Aston Martin. Aston Martin. Aston Martin is a luxury British car manufacturer that has been producing high-performance sports cars since 1913. The company is known for its distinctive design, advanced engineering, and attention to detail, which have made its vehicles popular with enthusiasts around the world. Many of its models have become iconic, including the DB5, which was featured in several James Bond films. Today, Aston Martin continues to produce some of the most desirable and exclusive cars on the market, with a range that includes coupes, convertibles, and roadsters.